After DeFi and DEX, now NFT is at the boom in crypto. Reason is that NFT collectibles are the need of everyone and also they are gaining popularity day by day. But most of the NFT tokens and coins are on ERC20 and on BSC. As per my own knowledge, I think few projects are over there who focused on NFT marketplace. But in this video, I will share a plan with all of you which is available on BSC Scan now and has a huge NFT collections. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Before moving, I will tell you what is NFT all about. It is basically the main meaning of the NFT is a non-fungible token, and a non-fungible token means that the item is unique, like you. Stay tuned. Feel uninvited. Beer and Beer is a tribute to the digital collectibles created by anonymous artists, developers and innovative algorithms. Only and only 17,153 pieces of the artworks are inspired by the world famous art and events, recalling the inner artist in you. Each piece of the art is uniquely generated. That is basically the key factor. Each piece of the art is uniquely generated. There will never be two that look the same. Within one of the kind token mechanic, the already limited collection will only get fewer as other owners choose to burn the art of the reward, making owning a Beer and Beer art a true collectible experience. Art owner can connect the art owner basically can collect the mini beer token MBT. Right now here you can see the contract address of the mini beer token. Art owner can collect the mini beer token MBT by holding onto the artwork. You will have the power to name it and put on a description, a love, confession, maybe anything, and even burn for the BNB rewards. Now how you can purchase the Beer and Beer token BBT? Simply you can come on the website. I will share the link in the description. When you are going to click over here, on one transaction you can buy up to 50 coins easily. It's entirely very easy. First of all you have to install the MetaMask, and after installing the MetaMask you can easily purchase this token. Best part of this project is that it's the first NFT that implements burning and reward pool mechanism. Up to 70% BNB distributed back to the community. Supply decrease until 80% of the tokens burned. Token value is supported by Binance Coin BNB. That is basically the key factor of the BBT. And secondly about the MBT. Here you can see the contract address of the BBT, and secondly about the MBT. Now here comes the main social media. You must have to follow them if you want to know more. And here you can see some good artwork and especially about the collectibles. Now I will tell you that how it will work. Only and only 17,153 unique Beer and Beer arts. Each of them is created by a combination of different artists in the world. Within the 17,153 BBT, there will be 18 BBT that are more special than others. Among these 18 BBTs, 3 of them will be distributed to the last BBT sold, which cost 100 BNB per BBT. The rest of the BBT will be randomly distributed to other tiers. All the BBTs are already generated but not indexed yet. There is a predetermined sequence of Beer and Beer, but which one will be the first Beer and Beer will only be determined at the reveal day, day 60 or BBT sold out day, using a random mechanism on chain. Due to expected high demand during the initial crowd sale period, we decided to limit a maximum of 50 Beer and Beers per transaction. Here you can see only and only 50 and 50, maximum 50 Beer and Beers you can buy in one transaction. Now as per my own knowledge, for example, if you are going to invest, for example, I'm not saying a huge amount, but only and only if you are going to invest one BNB in this project, you will definitely get some good amount of money very soon. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. I will share the link of the main website so you can easily purchase Beer and Beer token, and do follow them on the social media, because on social media they every day share new things about their project. Thanks a lot.